welcome back to another great math tutorial with Mrs. Robinson. I want to say thank you everyone for working hard and being so diligent in the midst of crisis. Scholars, I'm proud of you. Parents, I thank you so much. And my Slater family, continue to work hard. Our kids are absolutely needing it and loving it. So today's topic is going to be division. Yes, long division and dividing with fractions. Just a quick review because I know you scholars already know it, but I just want to quickly, review it with you. Of course, we know there's more than one way to skin a cat. So there's more than one way to solve a math problem. And for today, we're going to work on division and just a quick way of solving long division, which would be considered the standard algorithm of division. Vocabulary words we tend to use when doing long divisions problems are dividend, divisor, and quotient. Quotient is the answer to a division problem. Divisor is the number of groups that you're putting the big number into, the dividend, and this number is outside of the house, typically. And the dividend is the number on the inside of the house that you have to break up. Came up with some quick steps, which is considered the strategies of long division, which is first, you divide. Second, you multiply. Third, you subtract. Fourth, you bring down. And you do it again. Finally, you repeat all the steps to the end till you have a decimal or a remainder or neither. So let's get started. Today's divisor is 15. Our dividend is 4,890. That means we have to have so many groups of 15 out of 4,890. Our first step is to divide. Let's see, can 15 go into 4? I don't think so. So we're going to put an X here. Then we're going to see how many times 15 can go into 48. Well, I've told you this before, but let's do it on the side. Some of us can multiply, but it's okay if we add. Repeated addition is a good help. So let's see if we can do 15 plus 15, and that gets us a number that is close to 48, but not over 48. 15 plus 15, 5 and 5 is 10. Put your 0 here, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Well, this is equivalent to saying 15 times 2 is equal to 30. We're close, but we're not close enough. Let's add another 15, which is equivalent to 15 times 3, and see what we get. 5 and 0 is 5. 3 and 1 is 4. We're close. Let's see if we can add one more, which is the same thing as 15 times 4. 5, 1, 15. 5 and 5 is 10. 0 here, carry your 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Add one more is 6. Well, if we do 15 times 4, we're going over it. So let's just take a step back and say 15 times 3. That's 45. This is 48. So now we know that 15 can go into 48 3 times. 3 times 15 is 45. Our next step after we multiply is to subtract. 48 take away 45 gives us 3. Our next step will be to bring down. Now, we're not bringing down both numbers, only one at a time. So we'll bring down the 9. Let's see how many times 15 can go into 39. 39 divided by 15. Well, if we look back at our work on the side, we see that 15 times 3 is 45. So that's over 39. Let's see, 15 times 2. That's 30. Remember, you can't go over the number, but you can get close to it. So 15 times 2 is 30. And then our next step is to subtract. 39, take away 30, gives us 9. Well, we have one more number left. So we are going to simply bring down that 0. And let's see how many times 15 can go into 90. Well, we have our work over here, but we're not close to 90 yet. So let's keep going. Add another 15, which is equivalent to 15 times 5. 5 and 0 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. Close to it, but we're not there yet. Let's try one more time. 15 times 6 is again the same thing as 15 being added 6 times as we have done. 5 plus 5 is 0. Here, it's 10. 0 here, carry your 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Add one more. That gives us 9. We're there. Good job, you guys. 15 times 6 is going to give us 90. So we're going to put 6 in our quotient. 6 times 15, 90. 90 subtract 90, and we have a big 0. Good job. Thank you for working with me.